The rise of AI marks a new era in computer science education. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing countless industries. This technological revolution is also profoundly impacting education, particularly in the field of computer science. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial to equip students with the knowledge and skills to thrive in this AI-driven world. Learning by building an experiment in AI education. This approach emphasizes the importance of hands-on experience in understanding complex concepts. At MIT, we're constantly exploring innovative ways to teach AI concepts. Our goal is to make learning both engaging and effective, ensuring that students not only understand the theory, but also know how to apply it in real-world scenarios. In one of my classes, we tasked students with building their own AI-powered games. This project was designed to challenge their creativity and technical skills, pushing them to think critically about how AI can be integrated into interactive experiences. Using a platform called Gamestar Mechanic, students designed games that incorporated AI elements. This platform provided a user-friendly interface that allowed students to focus on the logic and design of their games without getting bogged down by overly complex coding requirements. One group created a game where players had to outsmart an AI opponent in a maze. This game required players to use strategic thinking and problem-solving skills, making it a perfect example of how AI can be used to create challenging and educational experiences. This hands-on experience allowed students to grasp AI principles in an engaging and practical way. The results were impressive. Students were not only able to create functional AI-powered games, but also demonstrated a deep understanding of the underlying concepts. Students not only developed a deeper understanding of AI, but also enhanced their problem-solving and critical thinking abilities. Working in groups, they learned to communicate their ideas effectively and collaborate to overcome challenges. This experiment highlighted the power of experiential learning in AI education. By engaging in hands-on projects, students were able to see the immediate impact of their work, which reinforced their learning and kept them motivated. By actively creating and experimenting, students can develop a more intuitive and profound understanding of AI concepts. This method of learning not only makes the material more accessible, but also more memorable, as students are able to connect theory with practice in a meaningful way. The enduring power of foundational knowledge. While AI tools are transforming the educational landscape, they are not a replacement for the deep understanding that comes from foundational knowledge. It's essential to remember the significance of foundational knowledge in computer science. This knowledge forms the bedrock upon which all advanced technologies are built. A strong grasp of core concepts like algorithms, data structures, and programming languages remains crucial. These elements are the language of computer science, enabling us to communicate complex ideas and solve intricate problems. These fundamentals provide the building blocks for understanding and developing sophisticated AI systems. Without a solid foundation, the ability to innovate and create new technologies is severely limited. Moreover, problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and computational thinking are essential for success in the AI age. These skills are not just about finding the right answer, but understanding the process of how to get there. These skills enable individuals to analyze complex problems, break them down into smaller components, and devise effective solutions. They foster a mindset that is adaptable and resilient, capable of tackling the challenges of an ever-evolving technological landscape. AI tools in the classroom are transforming learning experiences. AI tools are not meant to replace teachers, but rather to augment their capabilities and enhance the learning experience. Tools like ChatGPT, a powerful language model, can assist students with writing assignments, generating creative content, and exploring complex topics. Similarly, Code Llama, an AI-powered coding assistant, can help students debug code, learn new programming languages, and accelerate their coding skills. By integrating these tools strategically, educators can create more personalized and engaging learning experiences. The evolving job market navigating the AI revolution. The integration of artificial intelligence into various industries is reshaping the job market. While some jobs may be automated, many new opportunities are emerging in fields related to AI development, implementation, and maintenance. The demand for professionals skilled in AI, machine learning, and data science is soaring. To prepare students for this evolving job market, it's crucial to equip them with the necessary technical skills and knowledge. Embracing the future new horizons in education. Recognizing the growing importance of AI, many colleges and universities are introducing new majors and curriculums focused on AI and related technologies. These programs cover a wide range of topics, from machine learning and deep learning to robotics and computer vision. By offering specialized programs, educational institutions aim to equip students with the specialized knowledge and skills needed to excel in the AI-driven economy. Responsible AI shaping ethical and inclusive technologies. As we embrace the transformative potential of AI, it's imperative to prioritize responsible AI development and use. This includes addressing ethical considerations such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the societal impact of AI systems. Educating students about the ethical implications of AI is crucial to ensure that they develop and deploy AI technologies responsibly. Preparing for the unknown, adapting to the future of work. The rapid pace of technological advancement makes it challenging to predict the exact skills that will be in high demand in the future. However, by fostering adaptability, creativity, and a lifelong learning mindset, we can equip students to navigate the ever-changing landscape of work. Encourage students to embrace new technologies, explore different fields, and continuously update their skills. Cultivating creativity and innovation in the age of AI. While AI excels at automating tasks and analyzing data, human creativity and innovation remain invaluable. Encourage students to think critically, challenge assumptions, and come up with novel solutions. Foster their imaginations and encourage them to explore the intersection of AI with other disciplines, such as art, music, and design. The importance of lifelong learning in a dynamic landscape. In the rapidly evolving field of AI, lifelong learning is not just beneficial but essential. Encourage students to stay updated on the latest advancements, explore new tools and technologies, and continuously expand their knowledge base. Emphasize the importance of networking, attending conferences, and engaging in online learning communities. Conclusion: embracing the transformative power of AI in education. AI is transforming the landscape of computer science education and the workforce. From elementary schools to universities, AI tools are being integrated into curricula, providing students with hands-on experience in coding, machine learning, and data analysis. This shift is not just about learning new technologies, it's about fostering a mindset of innovation and adaptability. By embracing AI tools, prioritizing foundational knowledge, and fostering essential skills, we can prepare students to thrive in this exciting new era. AI can personalize learning experiences, making education more accessible and engaging for all students. It can help identify individual strengths and weaknesses, allowing for tailored instruction that meets each student's unique needs. As educators, it's our responsibility to equip students with the knowledge, skills, and ethical awareness to shape a future where AI is used for the betterment of humanity. This includes teaching them about the ethical implications of AI, such as privacy concerns, bias in algorithms, and the impact of automation on jobs. By fostering a deep understanding of these issues, we can ensure that students are not only proficient in AI technologies, but also mindful of their societal impact. By embracing a future-oriented approach to education, we can empower the next generation to harness the transformative power of AI and create a brighter future for all. This means continuously updating curricula to reflect the latest advancements in AI, investing in teacher training, and promoting a culture of lifelong learning. Together we can build an educational system that not only keeps pace with technological change, but also leads the way in shaping a better world.
Thanks for watching videos. Like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos.